Yo, check it out. It's your boy Kenyon Long, make you laugh one video at a time, man. Here with a special message. Premiere Pro is working. It is working. And let me tell you something. I have not been able to post to YouTube to this channel. This is why, guys. I'm sorry, but my Premiere Pro has been working. I had just got the whole Adobe suite, just bought it a couple of weeks ago. Started to work in Premiere, was learning it again all over. And update the Catalina, and Premiere Pro would not open for me. Would not open. I searched YouTube for all these fixes. Nobody had anything. Nobody talked about it. I didn't see nothing about it. I talked to Adobe on the chat. They said it was an Apple problem, but they didn't tell me what it is. I just kept getting the error codes. I just thought it was that. So I talked to Apple. Apple didn't tell me. Tech support did not tell me that, oh yeah, Adobe support 64-bit programs. Didn't tell me that. While I was on the phone for an hour and a half, didn't mention that. They could have told me that in the first 10 minutes. Did not tell me that, man. So I randomly found out by just like, oh yeah, Premiere Pro doesn't work in Catalina. So, yo, man, Premiere Pro is working. I want to show you guys right now. I uninstalled it, reinstalled it, uninstalled it, reinstalled it. And, you know, of course, nothing happened. And then randomly, I've been working on the Rush a little bit and other programs, man. But my Final Cut doesn't work for some reason. That's why I jumped back to Premiere Pro. That's the only reason. I've been a Final Cut guy these past couple of years. Five Final Cut guy. So, yeah, man, that's the reason why I was like, yo, man, I gotta keep editing. I need something. I just, jumped into Premiere, something I can get to right now without dropping $300. You feel me? So I am going to show you guys my screen so you can pull it up, man. You guys see, but yeah, I don't know what happened. I haven't Googled anything, and pull it up here. I haven't Googled anything, and Premiere Pro, as you can see right there, it's working. So I just finished editing, as you can see, 1 hour ago, an hour ago, some projects right there, and Premiere Pro is working. I don't know. I haven't Googled, man, so I don't know. You know. But if you uninstall Premiere Pro, go ahead and right now. And if you have Catalina, it should work. So I just 2 projects, whatever. It was acting funny. The reason I was dropping a project and doing it about no whatever. Today I have 10-minute long video you can find on my IGTV review video, and also on my YouTube channel. You can check it out. Mean review video. I edited that in Premiere Pro, and it was no issues at all. I had to do all my settings all over again because I didn't save anything. So that's the only pain, but I'm glad I'm back, man. I'm back. Premiere working in Catalina fine right now. So go ahead, download that. I will have new videos dropping now more frequently now that I have an editor, longer videos. So, yo, sorry about that. It was something I didn't know, had no level, but I still work through it. Still putting out the videos I can, editing on my phone. I'm telling you, man, it was I was stressed out for a couple of weekends, man. It's been like 3 weeks. Yeah, Pro's working. Hopefully that tip out, man. It ain't really a tip. Just go download Premiere Pro if you already have it. There's no code, but I'm just saying you already have the whole suite. You uninstall Premiere Pro. Go ahead. You got Catalina. Go ahead and install it. Let me know in the comment if it's working for you, though. Let me know if it's working for you, man. And that's it, yo. I'll see y'all in the next video. I got a couple of right here. Oh, I'm sorry. Couple of videos you probably should check out, though. A couple of videos right there might help you out. Go ahead and check those videos out, man. It's your boy Kenyon Long.